And now, from ABC2, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
I don't think I'd say complaint. Wow. Okay, here's what's going on. Maryland's most powerful weather radar. We still have a couple of scattered showers across town right now, south of Essex, right around the Dundalk area, and then down towards extreme northern Anne Arundel County. We're not seeing crazy lightning like we saw earlier this evening, but any storm that pops up through the course of tonight into tomorrow morning could produce some quick flash flooding. For that reason, the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood watch that's up through the rest of tonight for most of the ABC2 viewing area. But again, we're really kind of headlining the idea of just pop-up scattered showers and storms, not a widespread deal like we saw earlier this evening. Shot downtown right now, quiet, however, very humid with those dew points up at 71, temperature at 73 degrees. It's probably going to stay put for the rest of tonight. 75 in the city right now, Essex coming in at 73. 73 in Elkton, 72 into Manchester, and Annapolis right now 75 degrees. So the reasoning for all the storms today and yesterday is because of a slow-moving cold front. It's slicing through western Maryland right now. So dry air out to the west, of course, warm, soupy air on top of us right now. And this cold front is actually some good news because it's deflecting and pushing Arthur well offshore. Speaking of our friend Arthur, right now it is just hugging the North Carolina coastline right now. It's to the northeast right now, Wilmington, North Carolina, about 81 miles away. The big update on Arthur is now it's a Category 2 hurricane with winds at around 100 miles per hour, and it's now accelerating to the northeast at 16. That's also some good news because earlier we were watching more of a north-northeast motion. Now it's curving towards the northeast and heading out to sea. So the latest track from the National Hurricane Center, by tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, bringing it just parallel to the mouth of the Chesapeake as a 100-mile-per-hour hurricane. The storm is going to continue to move up towards the north offshore, and by Friday night, well up towards the Hudson Canyon region just off of Long Island and into the Canadian Maritimes. But we are still expecting tropical storm force winds along our beachfront from, say, right around Fenwick Island as you get down towards the mouth of the Chesapeake and into Norfolk. So, of course, tropical storm warnings have been activated. And then closer to the center, we do have hurricane warnings because the anticipation of 80, 90-mile-per-hour winds around 100 miles offshore is certainly on the table. But this is a glancing blow situation. So gusty winds in Ocean City, 25 to 35 mile per hour, maybe a few gusts around 50. Outer rain bands will be moving in as early as 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, but the big deal is going to be the waves around 10 foot. Inshore, offshore could be around close to 40 feet and rip tides through the course of the weekend. Again, timeline 5 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening. So it's not a washout this weekend down along our beachfront. Friday is going to be a problem, 82, but then sunshine reigns supreme for Saturday and Sunday. We're back into the 80s. So forecast for tomorrow, few clouds. Otherwise, it's gorgeous here in town, and it's going to turn much drier. If you're going downtown for the fireworks, maybe a little cool with a temperature of 58 and maybe low 50s as you go well north and west of the Beltway. It's a beautiful weekend. 84 on Saturday, Sunday, sunny at 87 degrees. It's going to turn a little bit hotter and humid as we go into next week and may have to contend with a couple of thunderstorms by Tuesday. That's it for the severe weather.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Just in time for tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, we're good. It's, again, the beaches, that might be the problem tomorrow. It might rain for a good duration of your afternoon, but here in town, soak up a little pool action.
Enjoying those fireworks.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's grab a beer.
Beer and charity go hand in hand, huh?
Perfect combination. You can do it right here in Baltimore. Union